kinds of different themes can be displayed. You could use a theme of bones, or you could have a theme of things found in a tree. Maybe you could have flying seeds to add to your seed collection, or things you found at the beach. Display boards can be used behind your nature table for posters and collected information or other exhibitions. Research tools like magnifying glass or cardboard roll can be used for looking at things closely. So keep a watch on this channel as to more ideas and activities you can do with your nature table. Come explore with me this amazing world that we live in.